Welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today, look, I'm going to show you how you can make this blouse or this cover up. As you could see, it's shorter in the back, longer in the sides, and here in the front it's shorter too. This detail and shape of the blouse will make you look longer and skinny. So it's perfect and it's also so easy. So if you crochet to sell, well, this piece is perfect for your business. You will see how easy it is. Let's start. I will give you the material list. Well, I will make this blouse for me. I will use 100 grams in each color. As you could see, it's a medium weight yarn. I will use this brand and the hook of 3.5 or 4 millimeters according how you crochet. But well, before we start, it's important that you subscribe. Let's start. Well, with one color and with one thread and with our hook, we are going to make 50 loose chains, approximately 40 centimeters. Well, the secret of this stitch is that we must make multiples of 10, okay? So, after the 50 chains, from here we will make 7 chains more. Also, we have to make them a little bit loose, so 7 chains. Then yarn over twice, and here in the 50 chains we are going to insert the hook, take 2, and the last 2. You see? So we will always start the same, okay, with 7 chains and with an extended double crochet. Then 3 chains, we will count 1, 2, 3, and in the 5th we will insert the hook. Sorry, had to cut, but well, we have to count 4, and in the 5th there, single crochet. Then again we are going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 chains. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we will turn over twice, insert the hook, take 2, the next 2, and the last 2. Well, then we are going to make 5 chains, yarn over twice, and here in the same space make an extended double crochet like this. You see? Well, so far we must have something like this. Then 3 chains, we will skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th single crochet. Then 3 chains, yarn over twice, count 5, and right here in the 5th an extended double crochet, take 2, 2, and the last 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over twice, and here in the same space a second extended double crochet. So here we have a V. So here we will have 3 chains, 3 chains, and here in the V 5 chains, then 3, 3, and 5. And here we will skip 4 spaces, and in the 5th we insert the hook, and we will make a V and single crochet and then a V again. Well, here at the end we will have something like this. We will go up with 3 chains, and then in the same space where we finished we are going to make an extended double crochet. This will be the last double crochet of the edge, right? So we will finish the row like this, like we started. Well, then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 V's, and this is the first row. For the second row, turn around. So we will go up with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, yarn over twice, and here where we made the single crochet in the last row, right there we are going to insert the hook and make an extended double crochet. You see? So this is how we will start the row. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over twice, and in the same space we are going to make the second extended double crochet. So here we are making the V, then 3 chains, and here in the V a single crochet. We are making the same, just that we are alternating, okay? Where we made the single crochet we are going to make the V, and where we make the single crochet we are going to make the V. So here we have the single crochet. So we are going to make the V, right? So an extended double crochet, 5 chains, and in the same space, remember before yarn over twice to make the extended double crochet. So here we have the V. Then 3 chains, and here single crochet. So far we must have something like this. As you could see, we are alternating. Here we started making the single crochet, then the V, then we alternate and we made over the V the single crochet, and like this is how we are alternating in the second row. So let's continue like this the whole row and see you at the end. Well, we will finish the row with 3 chains and with a single crochet like we started the row, remember? It's very important that you remember how you started the row because you must finish the same. Sometimes you may think that you finished the row here, okay? But no, please pay attention and see how you finish and check how you started the row, and like this is how you will finish. So now we are going to repeat the first row. So like we started the first row, remember that we made first 7 chains. So we will make 7 chains, then yarn over twice and in the same space and extend the double crochet. So we will take 2, 2 and the last 2. So here we have the first V. Then 3 chains, and we are going to make a single crochet in the middle of the last V that we made here. And here, as you could see, we have the half of an star, you see? It is important that if you don't tell this shape, you are doing something wrong, okay? So you must check that you have this shape, this half star right there. So with this you will know that you are making the stitch correct. So we are going to make 3 chains and a single crochet right here in the middle of the V. So far, look, we have completed the start, so like this you will know that you are making this stitch correct. So in the coming segments we must make the start too. So here we will finish the row like we started. And remember, here we are going to finish with the last extended double crochet for the edge. And like this is how we are going to continue making more rows. We are going to repeat the first row and then the second row, and we are going to alternate, okay? And it's important that you remember how you finish and how you started the row, okay? Please take that into account. And we are going to make a long strip of approximately 40 centimeters. Remember that I'm making this blouse for me, so it will depend of the skein of yarn and the weight of yarn and of the size that you are making, so probably you want to have the same number of stars, so please take that into account. Well, I finished. I'm counting the V's and I have 18 V's, okay? So I continue making. The V's are 40 centimeters, right? And the long strip measured 95 centimeters. So here I fold it. So with these same measurements and with this number of stitches and beads and everything, I will make a long strip of this one in the other color, okay? Remember that I want to combine these two colors, so I will make 2 pieces exactly the same, but now I will use this reddish. I count and I also have 18 beads too. Again, remember that this blouse is for me, so I will make this in a large size, but it will depend if you want to make it for a larger or for a smaller size. Remember that the secret of this stitch is that you make multiples of 10. So you will decide and you will calculate how many stitches you need to make as a base chain to then you can continue. So once you have these 2 pieces ready, okay, we are going to place them like this. I fold them. I have the 40 base chains as a base, and then the long strips I fold them. Okay, so I have these 2 pieces. I will join them with the embroidery needle First, we are going to join the back from here to here, okay, to here almost. So if you want, you can put some markers, and I will make the same in the front too. Also, I will sew from here to here. Remember that we have to leave a space for the arm, and it will happen the same in the other side. So we will sew 4 times to each side, and then the back and the front. So once you sew them, then we will make a last stitch for the edge. Well, guess what? Another idea came out. I sewed the back and the front, but I will leave the sides open. I will just put a bottom right there and also here, because you can wear it like this or you can wear it like this, right? So what do you think of this idea? So that's why I won't sew them. I will just put a bottom so you can have these 2 options, and it's amazing that you can have two, by just one garment you can have 2 options, 2 different ways of wear them. So each side you can take your arms out. So now the only thing that it's missing is that we are going to make the last stitch for the edge, in this case also using 2 different colors. Well, here where I have the reddish color, I will use the same thread color. If you want, you can alternate also the colors too. So we will go up making 6 chains. We will count 1, 2, and in the third chain insert your hook, and right there a double crochet. So here we will make a second double crochet, then a third double crochet, all of them in the same space. So we will have 4, counting the first chains, we will have 4. Then take your hook out and insert your hook at the beginning and bring the loop through. Then insert your hook at the beginning where you started the popcorn, and then slip 1. Then 3 chains, sorry, 3 chains, and then here in the single crochet we are going to insert the hook and make single crochet. Then over the V in the single crochet and over the V is where we are going to insert the hook, you see. So we will go up with 6 chains, we will come back, we will count 3, and here we will insert the hook, and here is where we are going to make the 4th double crochet to make the popcorn. So here we have 2, 3, and 4. Then we will take the hook out, we will place it at the beginning, and we will bring them through and close, and then slip 1 where we start the popcorn, okay, here. And again we will repeat, okay. We are going to make the same in the other side of our blouse with the other color, okay. So we are going to make the half in this color with this stitch and the other half with the other color with this stitch too. So we are going to make this in the front and in the back too. If you want to make this stitch for the sleeves, well, it's up to you, you can, but in my case I don't have enough material, so that's why I will just make this stitch in the back and in the front. So I will show you how it looks. Well, this is how it looks. As you could see, I used 2 different colors. I respect each side, and well, here in the sides I don't find any bottom that I like. Hopefully I can find in another store, but I wanted to show you how it looks finished. In this case I just put these ribbons here, but you can make a cord, or you can put you can put bottoms or so, and you can wear it like this too. But guess what, I don't know, but on me I don't like it. I don't like the shape that in my body this blouse makes if I wear it the other way. So that's why I'm going to show you how it looks like this. I think that according to my body and to my shape, this side and this way looks better on me, but you can try the other way too. And that's it. I hope that you have enjoyed making this blouse with me. As you could see, it's so easy and the stitch is beautiful too. I think that you can use this stitch to make a dress or to make a poncho, many things, right? So look, this is how it looks. I love it. I love how fresh it looks. Also in winter you can wear it with a turtleneck under and it will look amazing too. But well, thank you so much for arriving till the end of the video. Don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe to this channel, and to leave me all your comments. Thank you so much and see you in the coming videos. Please visit my social media too. Bye. Take care. Bye.